What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. I still haven't decided what I want to call you, so I'm just gonna. What is up, majestic gang, 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 gang? I'm back with another packing video for you. It is my hair that I will be using very soon for vacation. We'll get into that later. I apologize for not being very consistent with you all and not posting as much as I said I would in the beginning of my YouTube, if you all remember. But yeah, today I'm going to be unpacking my hair from Amazon, of course, but there's a little twist to it. I actually opened one of the packages trying to make a video before, but I didn't realize that my other package that I ordered was sitting in the mail. So hey, why not just do it all over again for you guys and include both of them in the video. So I'm going to start off by showing you the frontal that I ordered. Shipping, Amazon Prime, get it in 2 days.
And who the hell told me to cut like that? You see all the disappointment in my face. I was so sad.
You gotta be kidding me right now. You have to be kidding me. Like, this did not just happen to me. This did not just happen to me. Yo. No way. No fucking way. I legit just cut my hair, guys. I legit just cut my hair. I really just cut off this now. Okay. He's sad. Showing you where exactly I got it from after the hair is posted. So you're gonna see what the vendor I got it from is and inches as well. So this is the frontal. It is a 14-inch frontal, and I honestly epic failed and cut the hair when I was opening it, and I will put clips in because I know you guys are like, what, how do you do that? But yeah, I was being a beast and I definitely cut the hair. Very disappointing. I was so sad, but it is what it is. This is the frontal. The hair is really good. It doesn't have any smell. It smells like regular new brand new hair that you get, you know. But yeah, density is true to length. The frontal is pre-plucked. I like it. It's pretty thick, very thick, and full. I'm gonna be bleaching the knots, so let me know if you guys want me to make a separate video or a video together with how I make my hair, or my wig to be exact, because I'm all for wigs. I love wigs. I don't really do sew-ins. So yeah, just let me know if you want me to make a video on how I bleach my knots and bleach the hair itself, so you can see, guys, if it really actually bleaches, because all the times they be like, oh my god, my hair bleaches, it bleaches, but then when you want to bleach the hair does not bleach. So I'm going to keep you guys posted with that one. And this is the frontal. I give it an 8 out of a 1 through 10, and it didn't come with anything. It literally came in a package with just the hair, and that's it. So now let's get into these bundles. Okay, so the package is already open because I had technical difficulties taking it out the mail, because UPS, hey, yes, if you know somebody who works for UPS, your dad, your mom, your uncle, cousin, let them know to be careful with that packages, because they be ruining out stuff. Period. Okay. Like, I don't understand when I get my package is all ruined. Like, then I be coming at the vendors because I be thinking they messed my stuff up. Like, I need to be more careful. So yeah, of course I got my hair from Amazon Prime. I'm not gonna show you guys that right now. So yeah. With another package inside, like so. They ruined my box. They totally ruined my box. This is 3 14-inch bundles. So, yeah. I'm going to be more careful when I open up my packages now because, yeah, cut my last one and I was really sad. So, let's cut this bad boy open. This is what my box looks like now because, of course, like I said again, UPS does not know how to handle other people's items. It doesn't come with anything, so let's get this out of there. So this is what the box looks like after UPS done mashed it up. It's called Burhair. It says, be your hair fashion premium products. It says quality, guarantee, and great service. My packages did come as expected. They were not late or anything. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys hear it, but I'm listening to this music at the same time because, you know, I'm by myself. So, yeah. Ooh, my buttons look thick. Okay, so I'm just going to take this out. Comes with nothing else. So this is what they put it in. I know you guys are like wondering like what is that? I am too. But we're gonna get to that. Let's open this bad boy up, shall we? So I actually ordered body wave hair, 14-inch. Oh, this is a pink clip-in. This clip-in is hella long. This is hella long. I honestly love this color. Let me know if I should do this color one day. I like this color. It's pretty. This is actually one of my favorite colors, magenta pink. Well, you guys can already see this is so tangled. Like, what the hell is this? They got the clip in. Boom. I'm a bad bitch, y'all. I got a pink hair and all that. Ow. Ow. No. It's like, no. Let me stop playing. This is literally what it looks like. Okay. Back to the bundles. Okay, so I got 3 14-inch bundles. Let me open. These guys, I'm telling you, these bundles are thick as hell. This bundle is thick as hell. But I mean, of course, expected. I would hope the bundles are thick because, like they say, the shorter the bundles, the thicker the wax. So let me take one out. It says unprocessed hair. This is how it looks. Nice and bouncy. Slight smell. Smell like, ladies, if you use for your eyelash, if you use the hair glue, like if you use hair glue like this, the super bond glue, this is exactly what it smells like. Burhair. It just lets me know it's 100% hair. It has no chemical processing. Thick wefts. It says it can be dyed, can be permed, can't be combed. Curlier deep, can't be combed body wave. I'm gonna comb this bad boy. We're gonna see what it's hand for because I don't understand how I'm not supposed to comb my hair. So take this out. Ooh, look at that. Wait. This is short though. My hair is probably gonna be really short. This hair is soft. Again, I said it does have a smell. This is how thick the wefts are. It's really thick. Okay, so let's take this out. Girl, this hair stink. I'm gonna have to wash this hair. No shedding, no shedding. The ends are a little, the ends are like but get what you get. This hair is really soft. This hair is really soft. I hate when they put that little silver gold band on there and then the hair starts to do that. So yeah, you guys should loosen up on that. But honestly guys, I'm liking this hair so far. I ordered these hairs from 2 different vendors. You're gonna see at the end of the video, well, towards the end of me showing you the hair, this weft is pretty long. So yes, they are from two different vendors, but these hairs are pretty good. This hair is not so bad. I'm going to be bleaching both these hairs and bleaching the knots and dyeing the hair. So if you guys want to see the process and walk through it with me, just comment show me below. If you wanted to see the bleaching process, comment bleached. I'm going to make this video pretty short and I'm going to wrap it up. All the bundles are the same, so it wouldn't really make sense me opening every package of the bundle. I just wanted to quickly show you this, like just one. Yeah, I rate them both 8. I rate them an 8 because I don't know if these hair can bleach yet because I didn't try it, but I will be bleaching. And if you guys want to see, just let me know. I need about 10 comments so I can know for sure if I'm gonna sit here and record and bleach this hair for y'all so y'all can see, because I want y'all to see what I've been doing and stuff, But yeah, I'm just gonna wrap this video up. I don't have much more to say, but stay tuned for my vacation pictures, pranks, and more. Because yeah, Miami's lit with the girls. And I just want to quickly say to subscribe to my girl Kenya's channel. I'm going to be posting it right there. So yeah. Shout out, Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Good vibes only. Yes, I don't need y'all negative comments. Thank you, because I comes back. Like, period. If you like my lashes, guys, because I know you guys ask a lot of questions. If you like my lashes, I got the from the beauty supply store. It's called Iconic. Get on it. It's a wave. And that's about it. I'm wrapping this up, Majestic Gang. We out of here.